Hi guys, it's Peter, welcome to our channel. And today I'm going to talk about my 3D printed footpads for XR platform. Actually, let me show you. If you saw my previous video, you know what I'm talking about. Here is my Monster VESC XR. Yeah, I really love that board. And I'm using those footpads because they're really awesome. It's a 3D printed footpad from TPU. Density I got like 35% infill, and they are really awesome. Bird and stock wood footpads, which actually the wooden one I really love it. Before I tried those guys, the wood one I like compared to hard plastic because the wood can absorb micro vibration. The plastic, hard plastic, the one they use on the GT, GTS, XR Classic, which actually that board doesn't have nothing to do with XR, but they call XR Classic. They all using the plastic one, hard plastic. Also XR Classic, they do have for XR Classic a wooden one as well. I mean you can get, it's like a couple $100 or so. But 3D printed one, I love it because it's more cushy, I should call. You know, it can absorb not only micro vibrations, which kind of nasty, but it works pretty good. Of course, I'm not gonna say like, oh, you ride it like on a cloud. No, cloud comparison, I know it's a joke, but I mean, but that footpad is good. Plus, if you do have 3D printer with from roll of TPU 1 kilo, you can print it like couple sets of those footpads with density 35 or less. I did use it 35 and it works pretty good for me, but I'm a heavy guy, I'm 290. If you are under 200 pounds or so, probably I will recommend that rear one you can go probably 20 or so, maybe even lighter. The front footpad, don't print it too light, I mean low density, because if it's too mushy, it will repeat your sensor. I mean, if as you, I probably was gonna stick it with that 30-35% or so. Don't go too light. Otherwise, like I said, look at guys, those things is awesome. You know, I call big footpad because they are like a ½ inch wider. Bigger real estate, and wider footpath is good. You have more real estate, you can place it for your feet in a different locations, more controls. Well guys, pretty much that's all guys for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate. Thank you.